So this we are checking out. You can see that there is snow and people are working to get it removed. There is this, I do not know for what this lorry is working, but there was something else also to remove the snow from the roads. And there is this person who is in front of the apartment where he is removing all the snow. He doesn't know that we love to see it. But anyway, actually it is for our own safety, or we may slip and fall. We bought crampons and all but not worn it. I do not know how time flies here, but it is like you relax, get up, and then you realize it's time to check out. It's a beautiful place, so it's bye-bye Rovaniemi. Of course, it's bye-bye Siljo Novi. It's not Rovaniemi. Our train is at 15:35. But we have to check out from the hotel at, not hotel, it's an apartment at 12 o'clock. So exactly 12 we are out. We have kept the key on the table, the waste is binned, and here we are. You can see that the snow which is formed in the form of ice on the cars, people have to first scrape it out before they use their vehicle. In a way, good that we didn't think of renting a car. Jeevan wanted very much to rent a car and drive till here. But because we are a big number, we were worried because I don't know whether he's allowed to drive the big vehicle. Even though he was very confident he can, the license should permit. So this, here what they do is they fill it up with gravel. They cover it, not fill it up with gravel, so that people will not fall. You can see the roads also, so that it's not slippery. The roads will be invariably, see here how they do. So yeah, they put a lot of gravel to get a grip and help us. And this is the place here. I'm scared of walking fast, but you can see the people at work. Here, all busy clearing. So this is Rovaniemi. We are just 3 minutes from the Rovaniemi station. It's a nice apartment, no problem. I hope I have taken the video of the apartment. Every time when we enter, I feel we'll take tomorrow. So that's it. Everybody has come. All right. So bye-bye to Siljo Novi. Siljo Novi. So that's it. Chal then. Say bye, Babu.
Bye-bye.
Look here. Bye. 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute.
Tell.